Hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library bringing you a recipe to commemorate Bangladesh's Independence Day. We will be looking at a tasty classic from Madhur Jaffrey's cookbook At Home with Madhur Jaffrey, available for checkout at your local branch. We will be making Bangladeshi White Chicken Korma. For your ingredients, you're going to need 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1½ whole cinnamon sticks, 1½ whole bay leaves, 1 teaspoon ground cardamom, 1 medium onion, half sliced, half diced, 1½ pounds of chicken cut into small pieces, 1½ tablespoons minced ginger, 3 garlic cloves minced, a 1/4 cup plain yogurt mixed with half a tablespoon lemon juice, 3/4 teaspoons salt, and 1 teaspoon finely chopped jalapeno. Step 1. Put the oil into a deep pot and set over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, add in your cinnamon, bay leaves, and cardamom. Stir for about 10 seconds. Step 2. Add in the sliced onions. Stir and fry for about 3 minutes or until the onions brown a bit. Step 3. Add the chicken pieces. Stir and cook for 5 to 6 minutes or until the chicken pieces brown lightly. Step 4. Add in the ginger, garlic, and diced onions. Stir and fry for about 2 minutes. Step 5. Add in your salt and the yogurt mixed with lemon juice. Stir continuously and cook for 10 minutes. Step 6. Add the finely chopped jalapenos with 1½ tablespoons of water. Bring to a simmer and cover for 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken is tender. Step 7. Once it is ready, remove from the heat and serve with rice or even on its own. Finally, enjoy! Thank you for joining me on Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.